How to prevent roof leaks this winter. With our rough winters in Muncie, Indiana, protecting your roof from leaks is essential. Follow these tips to keep your roof going strong all winter long. You'll first want to schedule a thorough inspection to determine if there is anything wrong with your roof. Anything the inspection uncovers needs to be dealt with as soon as possible, as any defects can worsen with cold weather. If your home is susceptible to ice dams, you'll need to have the ventilation and insulation in your attic and roof space evaluated. Ensure your gutters are clear of debris. You'll need them to remain free-flowing all winter to ensure they don't clog and freeze. This can result in ice dam formation and water seeping into the home. Any low-hanging branches need to be trimmed away from your roof. Snow and ice will weigh them down, potentially causing them to break. When they fall, they can damage the roof, leading to leaks. When searching for a roofer, turn to the company you can trust, Clemens Home Solutions. We're here for all your roof replacement needs. Call us today at 765-358-7535 to schedule your free estimate.